So welcome students. This question you're given two planes and you're given that the line of intersection of these two planes makes an angle alpha with x-axis. If that is so, what is cos alpha? So effectively you're being asked to find the first direction cosine of the line of intersection of these two planes. So how do you find the line of intersection of these two planes? I don't need to exactly find the line, I just need the direction of that line because I just need alpha. So if you have two planes, if this is the first plane and if this is the second plane, so this will be the line of intersection of these two planes. So how do you get the direction of the line of intersection? So this line has to lie on this plane, hence this line is perpendicular to the first normal. This line lies on the second plane, hence this line is normal to the second normal. That means this line is normal to the first normal as well as second normal. So what is the direction of this line? Is nothing but n1 bar cross n2 bar. That will be the direction of this line. So n1 is 2, 3, 1, n2 is 1, 3, 2. I just need to cross multiply those two. So I, j, k, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. So this will be the vector along this line. That is I times 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus j times 4 minus 1 is 3 plus k times 6 minus 3 is 3. That is 3 times I minus j plus k. So this is the direction of the common line of these two planes. Now how much angle does this make with x-axis? So what are the DRs of this line? 1, minus 1 and 1. What are the DCs of this line? 1, minus 1, 1 by root 3, by root 3, by root 3. So this is nothing but cos of angle made by this line with x-axis, right? DCs are nothing but direction cosines, that is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. So the cos alpha is 1 by root 3. So it can be plus or minus, doesn't really matter. So if one angle is acute, the other angle will be obtuse. So a line makes two angles with axis. Thank you.